how to buy LC SHIB token. So this token came under the symbol of LC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this token network. Now, open your funds wallet for that. Now, just click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it, and here's time how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, this is it. So select the provider after that. As you can see, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. Click on swap, and you will be able to relax to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page with the slippage from here or customer, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy LC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.